Yep. That is my smoke alarm board. Stop. We got the ionization Kita I-9030. At least I think that would be it. No, wait. I-9040. Here we go. Let's give it a test. First alert. It is a SA303. There we go. That kind of balances it better. It's also ionization. Next up, we have the Kita 10-year smoke alarm, which means it has the 10-year battery. And that 10-year battery is located right here. It looks more like a capacitor to me. Then there's a horn. Now this one I love, because it's kind of like a trick thing. So it has these two buttons, and you have to do a certain code in order to get it to test. This is another I-9040 ionization. This one's probably the loudest. And then we have the same thing except in photoelectric. It's the P. Hold on, let me check. It's a P9040. Now these two look identical, but this is a P9050. Here it is. Here's the I-9050, I think. No, I-9030. Now, again, an I-9040. So yeah, here's my smoke alarm board. Now, yeah, I'll show you the backs of them. Along with the bases. So there's the back of every one of them. And then here's the base for every one of them. Then it has some wood chips. So yeah. Once my camera battery is going dead, that's okay. Now, every one of these rely on the same principle. The twist on, twist off. See, twist on. Twist on. Twist on. Twist on. Twist on. My camera's probably gonna go dead anyway, so peace out, guys. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. There we go. Oh, I gotta get my carbon monoxide alarm some love. That's okay. Let me quickly go get the carbon monoxide alarm of the house before my camera goes dead. Here we are. So, here we go. You may notice how it looked kind of continuous on the screen. It didn't. It goes blink, 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 blink. Every time it beeps, it does that. And also, I love having all of them right there because I can just look at all the LEDs blinking. I can like chase it down. I'm like trying to remember each one. So yeah, peace out, guys. Peace out. I'm not feeling well, so I probably need to go down to the toilet before I ruin my video. Bye.